Why should schools be data-driven? Doesn't it just seem like another thing that isn't part of teaching?
However, data isn't something new. It's something that has been helping teachers know how to help and instruct their students successfully.
Today, I am here to tell you that quality instruction can come from analyzing data. It can help you know your strengths and weaknesses of the students in your classroom.
Therefore, knowing how to read, use, and unpack data will be meaningful for the classroom. Instead of just numbers, the numbers will mean something for every individual student.
Data-driven decision-making.
An article stated, by designing a curriculum that collects data at every step of the student's learning process, better and richer learning will exist.
Students over time gain strengths and overcome weaknesses in school. It is the teacher's job to help know what they are struggling with to make sure they master those skills. By unpacking and analyzing data, teachers can truly know their students in a meaningful and deep way. The instruction given daily can be based on where the students are.
Data analysis can provide a snapshot of what students know, what they should know, and what can be done to meet their academic needs, which is stated in an article.
Data-driven schools have been found to work. In this article, he stated that a school in Michigan used data. The data enabled the teachers to fill in instructional holes based on the student's need. In the same article, the teachers stated without the support of the administration and the technology and other data tools, success wouldn't have been as high.
In McLeod article, he stated data-driven decision-making is about getting information into the hands of classroom instructors for them to use it.
These are a group of students who are just like our students. They want to grow and succeed, even if they let you know or not. However, it is up to us to help them grow and achieve.
In schools, teachers should collaborate. Collaboration takes away from thinking and doing everything alone. Instead, it is where ideas and thoughts can flow together. Through this, teachers can build trust together. When a team of teachers share a same goal and work to establish best practices for students, student achievement will likely increase.
Data-driven teachers are found to discuss instructional strengths and weakness in order to facilitate shared communities of practices. Teachers, like students, have areas to grow.
Chicago Public Schools in 2009 sought after data-driven instruction to improve student learning. They used sophisticated technologies to gather data, sort and interpret it.
After building an effective collaborative team of teachers together, either by grade level or subject area, trust will be prevalent and working on understanding ideas will now work.
In McLeod's article, he states that Confucius notes that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. This shows how it will take time to build a data-driven school.
The steps to begin to effective data-driven schools have teachers collect a variety of data. For example, assessments, standard-based task work, and keeping a record of progress. After collecting a variety of data, with your collective team of teachers and individually, it is time to examine and interpret the multiple pieces of data to build your knowledge. As you examine and interpret, don't just look at one piece, examine all data. This can create a whole picture of student strengths and weaknesses. Also, give yourself time for this. By doing this, you can effectively know how students' weaknesses and determine what to do next. You can color code individually in this hole to figure students grouping.
Also, you need to know that it is okay to have low results when you begin examining data. Don't be afraid of it because your trusting group of teachers can determine ideas together.
After determining what the data says, it is now time to develop practices and teaching methods to help the students in your classroom. It is vital to determine the interventions.
The team of collaborative teachers can work together to make SMART goals. This means creating a specific, measurable goal, results-oriented, and in a timely manner.
Once you understand the data, have students work with you to have them buy into knowing their own strengths and weakness. This can create a rich classroom culture.
This approach forces students to pay attention to what's happening in the classroom to get what they need.
Now, by knowing what students struggle with, the teacher can create target areas for students. Therefore, the teacher could use differentiation in the classroom from the data results.
Keep formatively assessing students to gather more data. This will help keep data active and relevant. Instead of just having the data sit, it is active and changing throughout.
Professional development needs to happen for teachers to help learning and data processing together. Coaches and support staff need to be provided within data-driven schools.
To be an effective data-driven school, you should. If schools are data-driven, evidence has shown that student achievement will increase. It will take time and lots of energy, as well as teacher buy-in, however, it will be worth it.